Wow, that was a tough one to push. This reminds me of an Edison story. Edison once invited his friend over for lunch. His friend came over and had to push a gate like this to enter his home. And he found it really tough, like I did just now. And then when he entered, he said, "Tom, you're such a great inventor. You've fixed so many things. You have invented and you've solved so many problems. How come you can't fix a silly little gate?" This Tom chuckled and said, "Okay, I'll take you over to my place." Okay, so he took him to the garden, backyard, and showed him around. And it was a beautiful, lush green garden and looked like it was well watered. So Thomas Edison said, "When you entered my home and you pushed the gate, it's connected to a water pump mechanism and it waters the garden. I don't have time to water my garden, so you did water my garden." So that's what this fence reminded me of.